We are down to our final game of the elimination round as we are still here inside the SM South Mall SM Events Hall. Muli nandito tayo sa napakagandang SM Events Hall, third level ng SM South Mall down south here in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Alvin Danyada, together with Coach Ernest Alao. Coach Ernest, this will be a good looking for that 5th straight victory to solidify that number.
Good evening once again, SLA fans, and we're live at the SM South Mall, Las Piñas City. Welcome to Sinag Lakas Calibre 45, presented to you by Sinag League at Sinag League Asha official FB page. Starting at guard number 2, Jovi Zamora. Also at guard Elgar Escaros and Bar Apulo.
Sa San Pedro Mamba Extra Razon, they will start off with Javier. Second quarter, our score 20. A reward for the squad na kumpleto dito sa ating lineup. As we take a look at our field goals, 9 out of 17 for Exal, makes it 10 out of 18 now. 5 out of 16 naman para
easy, simplifying them. Looking for the mismatch lang talaga. And kitang-kita natin, sino ba ito? Del Rosario ba to? In 0-0. Talagang isang seal lang kay Coach Alvin Lugo. Struggling na eh.
And again, Del
Yan
Rosario.
na naman.
Del Rosario has been also been as Avancenia scored. Manlalaro yung mga isang laro. Wala nga si Boying Diloy. As a boom, Labrusca scores a 3. And picked up here. And no, Melvin Carus also is not here para sa sa kupunan nila. So isa ring kulang, As Bar Reyes now on the floor. Also no boss. As Bar Reyes now on the floor. Also, if you take a look at itong San Pedro. Ernest Medina inbounding here. Ernest Medina also played well in that last game. 12 points on 4 3-pointers.
Yeah, and this is the perfect opportunity, Coach, na ito si Del Rosario na to get.
Ernest Medina inbounding here. Ernest Medina also played well in that last game. 12 points on 4 3-pointers.
Yeah, and this is the perfect opportunity, Coach, na ito si Del Rosario na to get his touches, makuha yung play nila lalo, para pagdating ng playoffs, going up against Sam Ignacio, yung mga great bigs ng ibang teams, palag na siya. Mas may kumpiyansa na siya, andun na yung niya, yung confidence and yung drive against VPD. Ang tawag doon, yung ibang-iba.
Unpredictable.
Yes. Sorry, they are 0-6, 0-5, diba?
They are 0-7 now.
7, sorry,
Yeah,
0-7.
Dahil last game na nga nito.
Yes.
Totoo. So,
Tama.
that is going to be a tough match-up against that MC Sports Management. Undefeated, they want to continue to be a contender. Hindi nila inisip na number 1. Kaya nga exciting yung magiging playoffs natin.
Totoo.
Bad or can be
Laban against those twice to beat teams, it brings out the best in you, Coach, diba? We've been there, lagi kaming andun ng teams namin. Talagang matcha-challenge ka to do better, to be better, kahit sa mga coach.
Aquino, jump pass. Tingnan natin yung lakas block of the quarter. Tingnan sa inyo, 0-1-0-7 management. Back in the ball game.
And they showed it before matapos yung second quarter. So I'm excited kung anong mangyayari for this second half.
Let's now take a look at the numbers. Wala na pala.
Kung anong mangyayari for this second half.
Let's now take a look at the numbers. Wala na pala. We have to take a look at the numbers there on your screen. And field goals natin. Halos dikit lang rebounds. Kaya nga nakuha nila 17-0 run na yan. And mahaba-haba natin through YouTube, Facebook. And nagtataka. It's around 9:37 dapat na. We did have technical difficulties, but again, we fixed it and ang bida nagpapabugbog muna sa una. Diba? And he is continuing to be that main factor.
Full court trap.
Kanina pa niya sinusubukan na nahuli. Move up to their 5th straight victory. Or started here, our final quart is 5. Muli pa Alvin Tanyara together with Coach Ernest Ray Alao. on the call for this matchup. And now, Del Rosario attacks and the score.
Yeah, great goal.
And now, Del Rosario attacks and the score.
Yeah, great goal that screen coming from number 26 netong G-Tour Exile, si Nelson Limpat. Pagharang niya doon, libre-libre si Del Rosario for the layup. Ganda.
14-point lead, 10 seconds. And knockout play sana, pero dati sa foul. Isipin mo yung nanakaw play mo, no? Si Kiko Jose. Pero nasa ilalim Del Rosario tsaka Limpat. No?
Oo, nga haba eh.
Para mapapakamot ul, boom. Boom, Labrusca. No good. Del Rosario
Sayang,
with a
short.
follow-up. Rosario balik dito kay Boom. Boom, Labrusca. No good. Del Rosario
Sayang,
with a
short.
follow-up. Good follow-up there for Del Rosario.
Again, still going for that. Hindi.
And again, no Mar Reyes on the floor here. So they're letting their other players show up here. Zamora the three. Money ball is in!
Grabe, parang-
Continuity ng offense nila noon. Nawala si Mar Reyes sa loob. Nandiyan naman si Zamora to continue yung shot shooting.
Oo, lahat tayang hindi shumot.
And again, talking about a team, all-team,
Hindi shumot.
and again, talking about a team, all-team mentality of this squad. All players, or 15 players, fielded hindi nakascore dito. Oh, mukhang
Yan, lalagyan.
lalagyan ng konting liquid. Ayan.
Yak!
And
Pag mata talaga, nanlalambot ako.
the teammate defended well by Almendral. Pasa dito, balik muna sa labas. Del Rosario no good. Rebound picked up.
Hugo ng mga bigs, takbuhan, extra pass dito kay Kuya Kikose.
Yun, traveling violation. So, may chance ba?
Yan
For
na
San
naman.
Pedro Mamba.
Yeah, yan na naman.
Mar. Labas mo.
Lang kung paano nila tatrabahuin, kung gaano ka hardworking. Siyempre, we know this team, itong JJB. Talagang nanggugulat eh.
Game of the elimination round. A win here for Exile. And make sa susunod natin na season 3 ng ating Lakas 40. Again, our final score, 9, Coach Ernest Alaw and Coach. It was a big game for them, but again, hindi